Hey guys, Super Dave here with another public service announcement. But this time it's for all you coaches out there. Well, with the kids back in school, a lot of them will be taking the field, football field, soccer field, they'll be taken to the basketball courts. And the other day, a friend of mine called and said, Dave, I can't make the soccer game tomorrow. I'm wondering if you'd take over for me just for one game. Knowing that I'm a really big soccer fan, I gladly said, yeah, I'd like to take that opportunity. I'll help you out. So I stayed up late that night studying some YouTube clips and making a game plan. Anyways, got to the field the next day and I gathered the kids around. I said, hey kids, listen up. Anyways, all the males around 14, 15 years old, I said, guys, listen, we're going to try something different this time. I know in the past year, other coaches have used a different tactic, but I think this is a tactic that'll take the team by surprise, our opposition, so I want to try it. We're going to press hard. Anyways, this is the formation we're going to use. This is what I said it to tell the kids. I said, I want you guys to use this formation, and let's give it a good try. And at that point, the kids started laughing uncontrollably, laughing and giggling. And I'm like, guys, what's up? Listen up. And it was only at that time that I looked at my whiteboard and I realized one of the kids had erased my tactics and replaced it with that. Anyways, that's not the tactic you should use, coaches. But when and if you do use a whiteboard, it's important to make sure you check it before presenting it to the kids. Anyways, this has been Super Dave with another timely public service announcement. And for all you coaches, I hope you have a great season. And yeah.